Hello guys, so in this video I'm going to be teaching you how to make the basic crochet stitches. So we're going to start with a single crochet. So I made some foundation chains. In the last video I taught you how to make these foundation chains. So if you need a quick recap, you're going to put it under the yarn like that, and then just pull your crochet hook. Okay, so again, like that. That's a foundation chain. Okay, so now to start a row, so the first step is to make a foundation chain, and then whatever your project requires, single crochet, double, whatever you're doing, this is going to be the first row. So you don't go into this loop, because that's the first loop and that's connected to the hook. You never go into that yarn. You can't. So what you're going to do, this is the second chain. So what we're going to do to make a single crochet is you just stick the hook into your hole like that, yarn over, same way you make a foundation chain, yarn over, and then just do like that, one loop. So you should have 2 loops on the hook, and then you're going to yarn over and simply go through both of them. Okay, just like that. Okay, now you don't go in the space, because that's the chain that you made. It'll get bigger, and that's fine. So right here, this is the second chain. So I'm going to stick right at the top. Okay, stick it in there. You should have 2 loops. You yarn over, pull it just one, do the first loop. That way you have 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over, and then you just simply pull it like that. Okay, so one more time. This is the next chain. So you're gonna stick it in the hole right there, yarn it over, pull it through. You have 2 loops. Yarn it over and pull it through all of them. Okay, next chain is right here. Simply just put it in there. Okay, yarn it over like this. Okay, it's really not that hard, and you just keep going until you have no more to do. Okay.